Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between the rolling hills, there lived a young woman named Maya. She was known for her vibrant personality, her infectious laughter, and her ability to bring joy to those around her. But hidden behind her bright smile, Maya struggled silently with depression. Each day felt like a heavy burden, and the weight of her emotions seemed unbearable. She withdrew from her friends and family, isolating herself from the world she once loved. The chains of depression bound her heart and soul, casting a shadow over her once vibrant spirit. One fateful day, as she took a solitary walk through the village, she noticed an old man sitting under a gnarled oak tree. His eyes sparkled with wisdom, and he radiated a sense of serenity that caught her attention. Curious, Maya approached him and shared the heavy burden she carried within. The old man listened attentively and spoke gently. "My dear, I understand the chains that weigh you down. But remember, life is like a river, sometimes calm, sometimes turbulent. Embrace your struggles, for they hold the seeds of strength and resilience." He told her stories of great warriors who faced adversity and emerged stronger, like the lotus that blooms in muddy waters. He spoke of the power of inner peace and the magic of self-acceptance. His words touched her heart, and she felt a glimmer of hope amidst the darkness. With newfound determination, Maya began her journey to break free from the chains of depression. She sought help from loved ones, sharing her struggles and finding support in their understanding arms. She also started seeing a counselor who provided guidance and tools to manage her emotions. Maya delved into hobbies that once brought her joy, reconnecting with the passions she had lost sight of. She took walks in nature, basking in the beauty of the world around her. Slowly, the colors of life started to seep back into her world. But the journey was not without its challenges. There were moments when the chains seemed unyielding, dragging her down again. Yet, she persevered, reminding herself of the wisdom of the old man and the strength she had within. One day, as the sun painted the sky with hues of orange and pink, Maya stood atop a hill, gazing at the landscape before her. She realized that the chains that once imprisoned her had loosened their grip. She felt a profound sense of freedom, a newfound appreciation for life. Maya had broken the chains of depression. She emerged victorious, stronger than ever before. She knew that the journey of healing was ongoing, but she also knew that she possessed the resilience to face any challenge. From that day forward, Maya became an inspiration to others in the village. She shared her story openly, encouraging those who felt trapped in darkness to seek help and embrace their struggles as stepping stones to growth. And so, the story of Maya spread like wildfire, igniting hope in the hearts of those who face their own battles with depression. She became a living testament to the power of the human spirit to break free, to overcome, and to find light in even the darkest of times.